Respected ma'am and my dear friends, my name is Pratham Gandhi and I am from standard 6B and my roll number is 30. Today I am going to show you a science experiment with magnets. This experiment purpose is that to show you how magnets react with metallic objects. For this experiment we will need two magnets. There are some wooden objects, there are some plastic objects and there are some metal objects. Okay friends, now let's start this experiment. I have taken some many objects and in the container, and the container is full of rice flakes. So now you can see the magnet. I will touch the magnet into the bottom and now you can see the reaction. Only the metallic object is getting stuck into the magnet where I am rotating it. So friends, you can see that only metallic objects having moved here and the other objects of plastic and wood are not moving anywhere. So friends, the conclusion is that only metallic objects can be attracted to the magnet. Other types of objects like wood, plastic are not getting any response to these magnets. Okay. Thank you friends and have a magnetic day.